This variety of apple here, this is Fuji apple. It is both a tip bearer and also a spur bearer. The color of the Fuji when it's ripe, this is the color. It's a beautiful color. Okay, so this is a Fuji variety of apple. These are the leaves. Very sweet naturally and very crunchy also. So Fuji is one of variety performing very well in Kenya and mostly in the warmer regions. Please don't grow Fuji in an area which is not warm. So it's continue producing like that one. It's most productive when the place is warmer. In colder region, it does not perform very well. So those are Fuji variety of apple. We grow Fuji in Machakos-Kenya farm because it's one of my favorite apples because of its color, its texture, and the span it stays before it gets starts spoiling. It can stay. It has a lifespan of between 30 to 60 days, so that is like 2 months shelf life where it stays without getting bad. You can see the small Fuji look this way when they are young. That is how they are looking. But when they start to ripen, sorry, my camera is trying to be safe. When they start growing, they become those large, like those one here. And when it is ripe, it's this way. This is the color, and this is the shape of Fuji. And these are the leaves when it's young. This is Fuji apple in Machakos-Kenya farm.